How to check emergency contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Health application on your phone. From the main summary page, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner. On the next screen, you will see several options related to your health profile. From here, tap on the Medical ID option to proceed. Your medical ID is designed to provide critical information about you for first responders in an emergency. On this page, scroll down to Emergency Contacts as shown. You can view the list of all the contacts you have designated for emergencies, along with their relationship to you and their phone number. Following these steps, you can easily check emergency contacts on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.